And today I'd like to discuss a really powerful breathing technique called Brahmari. It's originating from Pranayama, which is the yogic art of breathing. And science this century has discovered that Brahmari is so powerful because it creates a lot of vibration in the body, and this vibration stimulates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is part of the autonomic nervous system, and when the vagus nerve gets stimulated, basically it tells the body that it's safe to relax. So you get into the parasympathetic nervous state, into the relaxation state where you have clear access to your thoughts, to your decision-making power, and to your organs. So Brahmari, it is basically saying M with your mouth closed. It's as simple as that, but there is a little bit more to it. To intensify the vibration, you place your thumbs in your ears. You also block your eyes with your index and middle finger. Now you breathe in through the nose, very important. And then you block the ears and you breathe out saying and you breathe in through the nose again. And you go for another round. So that's Brahmari. It's usually done about 8 to 10 times in a row for a really strong effect, but already after one I feel a difference. And maybe we'll do 5 together during this video. So don't wait for me, just keep your ears closed, go as long and as fast as you want to go. So breathing in, blocking the ears and the nose, and going for this for 5 times in a row. Now, after you've finished your cycles, just keep the eyes closed, sit as straight as you can. Notice the feeling in your head and watch your breath going in and out of your nostrils. Namaste.